Hey guys, come with me today. I'm going to make some enchiladas. So the first thing you want to do is start off with your veggies. Add a little seasoning. Pour your seasoning over, which is paprika, salt, pepper, adobo, and chili powder. And I am going to give this a nice little mix and add my chopped pecans to the mix as well, along with my veggies. Now I'm going to set that over to the side and start on my corn filling. This is corn and black beans. So all I'm gonna do is put that in my pecan mixture inside of the burrito, and I am going to tightly just make like a little roll and drizzle some Las Palmas sauce on top. This is the enchilada sauce that I used. And you are going to go ahead and put your onions, your green onions, and your olives on top. And you can even put some vegan cheese, and that is the finished result.